Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to tell you how you can install a free volume control app on your Mac. So this app is completely free. You just need to do some work in order to get it installed. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to do it. So you need to go to this link. I'll provide this link in the description box down below, and you need to install it through the source code. So there is also an option through which you can install the application directly, but will not recommend you to do that. Go to the installing from the source code part, and you need to install through this medium. So what we will do, we will select the code that we have right now, and before installing we need to go to the app store and check whether you have downloaded Xcode. So search Xcode and then look for whether you have downloaded this application or not. It's a fairly large amount. It's about like 11.7 GB, so you need to download this first in order to flawlessly install the source code. So now we'll go to the terminal and we'll paste the code that we have downloaded and we'll hit enter. Now I've already installed this application, so I'm not gonna like reinstall it. So I'm gonna close it and I'm gonna show how it is working. As you can see, I can control the application and volume whatever I want, and it's very easy to do. Please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you find the video useful.